That's it.
Start packing. Watch this. Cool 3-pointer from here.
Yeah, right.
Oh! Did you see that? That is why we're going to Fiji. Right there. Hi, boy. Your board first?
That's my board. Mine's
we're going to bring 2 black bear boards for you. Your goggles, your fins, fishing poles.
Oh, I'm going to go get my fishing pole. Where's my fishing pole, Dad?
I have your fishing pole.
Oh.
I'll pack the poles. How many times have you guys went to Fiji now? What is this?
3.
No, you went 3 times.
3 times. You went 3 times.
3 times. You went 4 times.
Yeah. Hey, so you're gonna have your birthday on Fiji? That's gonna be a first.
And Fiji night, yeah.
You're gonna have a birthday party, and your birthday is it's on Fiji night.
I know. Wait, it is?
Yeah.
They're gonna make like the best cake ever.
And you know the food on Fiji night's so good.
For my cake, I just want fish.
Fish? You want a fish cake?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
What about your board bag?
My board bag is on Fiji. I was there last week and the waves were pumping. The wind kind of went bad. Kind of screwed us on one of probably the best swells ever. And I seen the forecast for the following week, and the management on Tavarua, who's like family to me, were like, hey, there's some open berets, which are like villas on the beach. If you want to bring your family back. And I was like, kind of a pipe dream. Flew home. Wife went to Vegas, went to Cali, came back, and it's my son Hayes' birthday. He's turning 8, and my wife's birthday coming up, and we've changed plans, and we're actually heading back to Fiji. So I'm going without a board bag. My kids got their board bag. About to pack some fishing poles, get all their luggage ready, and we're off tonight on a family vacation to Fiji with also an epic swell lining up. So it's kind of like, I think we're gonna hit the ball out of the park for everyone. Wife, kids, maybe myself, a couple crazy girls.
What's up, guys? Today
In 3, 2, 1.
it's 3 a.m. right now.
We're at the airport.
And we're at the airport.
Last to leave gets $10,000.
They said the
Hey,
same.
turkeys, let's go.
Alright, be quiet.
I'll bring a whole bag of 10.
Oh yeah? Steak time? Do you have any hand sanitizer?
Yes, I do.
I'm gonna eat some food with you. I like steak. You were sleeping when I cooked that. You excited?
Yes.
That was rough. But we're almost there.
We handled it.
You want to film?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I give them $1?
Oh, they're taking tips.
Yeah, can
You want to give them a tip? Oh, get flowers.
Yes.
Now, what do you say? Say, hula, hula.
What's your plan, Hayes? You gonna get barreled this trip?
Yes.
Have you ever gotten barreled before?
A lot.
A lot? How many times?
I don't know. Too many.
Okay.
Sam, look it over there.
The reunion.
You got a calorie already.
Look,
Come back. Long time no see. Hey, bro.
Only in 2 weeks, 1 week.
Yeah, I have to bring the family.
Yeah.
We're home.
Welcome to our villa.
What do you have to do before you come in mom's house? Tell them.
Wash our feet.
Or what?
Let my mom smack you.
Oh my God, don't say that. That's so terrible.
Clean feet or don't come in.
So we got 2 couches for Hazel and I to sleep.
And up here, there is my mom and dad's room.
This is my brother's, Makoa's, and my room. This is the bathroom where we take our poops.
What's your favorite part about the villa?
The AC.
The AC is pretty critical in Fiji, huh?
Yeah.
I think this view is pretty insane here.
Oh, you got it. Oh yeah, they'll go to the top. They'll bounce. Bro, my tree's twice the size and he goes to the top and kicks nuts.